Starting August 1st, 2025, India's Unified Payments Interface or UPI is introducing new rules designed to make digital payments safer and smoother for you. The National Payments Corporation of India has announced these updates to improve how the system works and to create a better experience for everyone using popular apps like PhonePe, Google Pay and Paytm. So what's changing? For starters, you will now be able to check your bank balance up to 50 times a day within a single UPI app. If you reach that limit, the balance check function will pause on that app for 24 hours. The good news is, after each successful payment, your updated account balance will appear right on your screen, so you will not miss any important details. If you are checking the status of a pending transaction, remember you can do this only 3 times. And there must be at least 90 seconds between each try. This not only lightens the network load but also helps payments process faster across the country. Another important update is the 1 lakh rupees daily transaction limit per user. This cap keeps your payments secure and helps everyone manage their finances with confidence. If you rely on auto payments like EMIs, subscriptions or SIPs, these will now go through only during non-peak hours. That means banks will process such payments before 10 in the morning, from 1 to 5 in the afternoon or after 9:30 at night. If your scheduled payment falls outside these windows, it may be rescheduled just a little bit to fit the allowed timings. Security remains a top priority. Every UPI app now needs to clearly show the payee's bank name before you confirm any transfer. Plus, the system does not allow transactions between accounts that belong to the same user on the same UPI handle, protecting you against misuse. You also have more control when linking bank accounts. You can connect up to 25 accounts to your mobile number. Banks must update their mobile records every week, ensuring your information stays accurate, and they need to get your direct consent every time you link or update a UPI ID. Apps are no longer allowed to quietly seek your permission in the middle of another process. Finally, you can expect clearer, more courteous communication from both banks and payment apps. They must use simple, respectful language anytime they ask for your approval or provide critical information. No more confusing or pushy messages. All these changes come together to make UPI a faster, safer and friendlier platform for everyone in India. By keeping these new norms in mind, you can continue enjoying smooth and secure digital payments every day. If you like this video, give us a thumbs up, and for more such updates, follow the CSR Journal.